So I've got here a Galaxy Z Fold 4 in beige, and I also have a front protection film here, as well as a standing cover with pin to match the fold. Let's get unboxing.
Embossed. Thanks. Recycled packaging. Stickers. Box is really shallow. This sort of covers cut out for the lenses. It's got the manual and the USB-C to USB-C charging cable and the SIM ejector. Pretty simple. Roll into a stick like this. Here is the Galaxy Z Fold. My gosh, pretty, very pretty. So I can see that there's a zippy here. It looks like there's stickers on this side. Always on display is on this too. There's a how-to in there. So this must be the there seems to be two protection films in here. Removals. There's an applicator, so it must be here. Let's try to make sense of that. So it says to lift off the two here. So that's on. So remove this. And then align. That kind of holds the position, but you still have to make sure that that's aligned. The hole is aligned to the camera hole there. The next bit is to remove this. Let it fall. Be careful again to align it to the camera hole. Cool. Okay, so far. It's got bubbles and stuff. I'm sure you can see it. It's kind of annoying, but I think I might live with it for now. the last bit is 2. It's a lovely, lovely phone. There's adhesives, I think, all through, so once you put it on, they snugly fit. The pin. The good thing about the Fold Edition, the case, is that it matches the actual color of the pin, matches the actual color of the fold. Oh, look at that. It's really nice. Just put that in there. And you should be able to slide this out. This is meant to be, I think, a phone stand. And there we go. Let's click it in. Not gonna lie, this takes away the fun of looking at a new phone and the nice little finish that Samsung has done on the phone. It's quite slippery, so I'm not sure whether it'll be grippy. I'll put this on for now and then I'll do the adhesives.
So this is what the Fold looks like with the case on in real life. I'll be doing a follow-up video of my experience with the Fold, moving from an iOS phone to an Android device. So if you want to see that, please feel free to subscribe, and if this video was helpful to you in any way, please give a like. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!